This is a review of the Sharkk 2.0 Bluetooth speaker, which is portable, rugged, and waterproof. This speaker is nicely designed. It's coated on the exterior with a rubberized coating. It's shockproof, waterproof, and dustproof. It's rated to IPX67, which means it's protected to IPX6 for dust, which means no dust ingress, and IPX7, which means it's submersible in 1 meter of water for up to 30 minutes or 39.37 inches of water. Inside the box, you'll find the speaker itself. The speaker weighs in at 1.25 pounds. You'll find an AC wall charger that will charge the unit. The charger itself is rated at 100 to 240 volts AC and 50 to 60 hertz. It's UL approved. Its output is 5 volts DC at 1 amp. Inside you'll find an auxiliary cable to plug in your non-Bluetooth items. You'll have a USB charging cable that will plug into this charger and into the speaker. Both cables are 33 inches long. In addition to that, you'll find a very nice velour bag that allows you to carry it, and if you'd like, you also have a Velcro carrying strap that you can hook around this handle and carry it around with you. Makes it nice. On the end here, under the rubber coating, you'll see the power button here. Then here you'll see 3 LEDs for power indication of the internal battery. It's 1 LED is 30%, 2 LEDs is 60%, and 3 LEDs is 100%. And if they're not on but it's playing, then it means the batteries are low and it's time to be recharged. Inside of the speaker is a lithium-ion battery of 2,200 milliampere hours. When it's fully charged, it will play 10 hours using the Bluetooth 4.0 interconnection. On the side here, you'll see some notations that says DC in and line in and micro SD. This is where the pop-up cover is that allows you to get inside. Here you can plug in the power supply charging cable. Here you can plug in a micro SD card, like the one you see here that I have. I tested it with a 32 gig card and it worked perfectly. Then here you see the auxiliary port for the auxiliary input cable. In my testing, I just plugged in the micro SD card. It has some music on it. You heard it beep, and it starts playing the music. So I paused it. With 32 gig, you can literally put thousands of songs onto this SD card, and you don't even have to connect it to your smart device. It's very important that when you're done charging and inserting your card, that you push this cover down extremely tightly. This speaker has an outstanding rating for water and dust, but it has 0 rating if you leave that cover not properly inserted. Let's quickly go across the buttons here. The first one is the near-field connection area where you hold your device to connect. The second one here is the mode button where you toggle between Bluetooth, auxiliary, and the micro SD card. And here's the previous button, which allows you to navigate to the previous track, and if you press and hold it, you can rewind. Here's the next button, where you navigate to the next track of your song list, or you press and hold to fast forward. This is your play and pause button for your music, and the first LED here that's not lit is the Bluetooth indicator. It's flashing blue when it's in the default mode and working. It flashes red and blue when it's actively pairing, and it's solid blue when the connection is established. Here you have the auxiliary and micro SD indicator LED. When it's red, the device is in auxiliary mode, and when it's green as it is now, it has an SD card plugged in. Here you have the volume minus button to decrease volume, the volume plus button, and here you have a phone button so that when you're connected via Bluetooth, you can hold to activate and make calls or can activate Siri, for example. You have an incoming call. You simply want to press it and answer the call, or press and hold to reject the call. Under the screen here, you'll see a little dot. That's a microphone that allows you to make and receive hands-free phone calls. The audio output of this is 2 speakers at 4 watts times 2, so that's 8 watts. I want to point out this is a very nice design. It's ruggedly made. I like the rubber coating, waterproof and dustproof, great design. The speaker does have speaking prompts and tones to assist you in your operation and setup. Overall, this speaker has excellent sound quality. It's one of the larger Bluetooth speakers that I've seen that comes with waterproof capability, and it has a great sound. It has solid bass in many songs, and it's a very clear treble. If you want to connect this to Bluetooth, I'm going to touch my settings button. I'm going to touch my Bluetooth button. You can see it's turned on. I'm going to come over here and press the mode button and have it go to Bluetooth setup. There you see the blue LED come on. You see it come up down here and it says Sharkk. I'm going to touch Sharkk. It's going to spin and connect. If it asks you for a password, the password is 0000.
Connected.
But you can see in my case it connected and stated it was connected. Before I start my test, I'm going to press the volume plus button. You heard it chime. That means it's at max volume. I'm now going to play some music and let you hear what it sounds like. As you can hear, it has great sound quality, good treble, good bass. I'm now going to go to some classical music and let you hear a song from that. As you can tell, the sound quality is just outstanding, especially for a waterproof speaker. I can't get over that. We're now going to do a water test just to show that it is waterproof. Here we go. Here you can see it's working underwater, and you can see the water being agitated by the bass. It even sounds good underwater. It's designed to be 3 feet underwater for about 30 minutes. That way if you drop it in the water at the pool or at the ocean, you're safe. As you can see, dunking it in water did no damage. It's solidly built. Here's your button for answering the phone. Siri, what's 0 divided by 0?
Imagine that you have 0 cookies and you split them evenly among 0 friends. How many cookies does each person get? See, it doesn't make sense. And Cookie Monster is sad that there are no cookies. And you are sad that you have no friends.
That same phone button will let you answer an incoming phone call. We tested that, and I got to tell you, the incoming call was clear, and the people on the other end of the call said my voice was clear. This is an excellent product. I see no faults at all. I love its performance. I rate it at 5 stars. This review is done by JJ CEO. I'd like to tell you that I received a sample for test and evaluation, and I didn't promise a review, but I promised if I gave one, it would be fair and honest.